that's what we're doing.
My name is Leslie Lacy. I am the founder and executive director of Fostering Hope Louisiana. Fostering Hope Louisiana is an organization created to put braces on children in foster care and also address their mental health needs. I decided to commit to Fostering Hope Louisiana full-time in 2021, which is when I offered my resignation as a children's attorney. I represented children for about 6 years before I realized that while their medical needs were being met, their dental needs were being met, their orthodontic needs were not. I came to understand that the process for getting braces was pretty intensive, and that's what prompted me to start the organization.
What we are doing is helping these kids who would not get help otherwise. A success, as I see it, is helping one child at a time.
I had a client, her name was Brittany. She had such wonderful aspirations. She wanted to be a lawyer, a social worker, help other children like herself one day. And then it just occurred to me, as much as I believed in her and academically, her personality, she had everything to do what she wanted to do. I just met with her and I said, you know what? You can do everything that you set your mind to do. You will do it. But I think there's one thing we need to work on, and that's your teeth. And she looked at me and she said, oh, I couldn't agree more, Miss Lacy. And that's how it all started.
Leslie came to me. She found an individual that she wanted to do something for her, and she felt that braces and straightening her teeth would give her a jump start in life. So she paid for it. And then she started trying to bring other people. And after a while I said, Leslie, you can't do this. I said, you can't pay for everybody's braces that needs braces. We need to do something else. And that's when she found another way to do that.
Fostering Hope Louisiana has the ability to meet a need that is not being met by any other organization in the state of Louisiana. The idea is to see to it that every child in foster care that needs braces and orthodontic work has access to that. It's covered by no Medicaid funding or state funding in any other manner. The number of kids that need this is finite, and you can solve that. There's very few problems you can solve completely.
We go all across the state. We've been in Covington, Baton Rouge. We're going to be in Shreveport, training young people how to care for their teeth. When you attend an oral health life skills training, you will see young people with model teeth practicing how to brush and floss. They'll be learning about how to care for their teeth and what foods are best for their teeth. You will also see them learning and interacting with partners in the community like Chase Bank, who are teaching financial literacy, or maybe our volunteers from NAMI who teach about teen dating violence or communication skills.
These foster kids already have a tough start in life. And what Leslie and her foundation is trying to do is give them a break. Braces for a young kid that doesn't have a lot of self-confidence, it can really change their lives. It can boost their self-confidence.
When Derek came to live with us, it was very obvious that he needed braces. It was one of those things that stood out. And in school, he was made fun of, he was bullied because of his teeth. Now that he got braces, he's just a different child. And I know it's because of the braces. I know it is. It's just a wonderful program. And I'm so happy that he's part of it. It's already made a difference in his life and in our life. So I'm so happy.
Leslie's gonna make a lot of difference in people's lives. And I think this is just one of the things that she's gonna accomplish in her life. I think she's a special individual who's gonna constantly make the world a better place. She feels for these kids and wants to do everything to make their lives as normal as possible.